So the last video you guys learnt about the lens equation for a convex lens. We'll try to do the same for a concave lens. Okay, now for a concave lens, remember U, V and F, all three are negative. You'll get to know why they're negative. So we are trying to find a relation between U, V and F. Alright, now, so first thing is we need to draw a concave lens. Okay, so imagining, see, this is the concave lens. Okay, now what we have is we need to complete this concave lens. So let's assume this is one of the part of a concave lens. This is again one more part, and then we need to draw one principal axis. So let's say this is the focal length f. Alright, and then so 2f will be somewhere over here. Anyway, that is not important for as of now. Alright, then we have this to be the center C. Fine. Now let's say we are placing an object. So we are placing an object somewhere over here. So this is where we are keeping the object, and let's say the object is of this height. So what we have is, so this is the object, so call this as AB. Now AB is the object. Now from AB a ray of light will come and meet the lens, correct? So this is one ray of light. Now remember, convex lens is a diverging lens, right? So the ray of light will diverge, but that particular ray of light will be passing through the principal focus, right? So when we take and when we extend this ray backwards, so this is how the ray of light will move, right? Okay, so we need to draw the direction. So this is one, this is one. So call this pointer, let's say E. Okay, so there is one more ray of light which passes through the center of the lens from A. So we have another ray of light which moves like this. Right, now wherever those two rays of light will intersect, so this is where the image will be formed. So the image is formed somewhere over here, right? So call this as A dash and B dash. Okay, so this is how the image is formed in a concave lens. Now here what we do is, again we have to use similar triangle property. So first we'll take ABC, A dash, B dash, C. So in triangle ABC and triangle A dash, B dash, C. Now these two are similar. So what we have, AB by A dash, B dash is equal to BC divided by B dash, C. So call this as equation number 1. Then what we do is, see here from E to C, again we drop a perpendicular, see like this, from E to C. See, just like what we did in the previous derivation, the same way. Alright. Then what we do is we take CEF and A dash B dash F. That is triangle CEF and triangle A dash B dash F. Now even these two triangles are similar, right? So we have CE divided by A dash B dash is equal to, now so we are taking CF, so here CE by A dash B dash is equal to CF by B dash F. So call this as equation number 2. Alright, now what we have is, see, we have these two equations. Now CE and AB are one and the same, right? So since CE is equal to AB, So we get in equation 2, if you substitute that, we have AB divided by A dash B dash is equal to CF divided by B dash F. So if you compare equation 1 and this equation, the LHS is the same. So even RHS will also be the same. So we have BC divided by B dash C is equal to CF divided by B dash F. Now BC, B dash C, CF, these are all known. So B dash F will be nothing but CF minus CB dash. Right, so we have B dash F is equal to CF minus CB dash. So if you substitute, we have BC divided by B dash C is equal to CF divided by CF minus CB dash. Now remember, here U, V and F, all three are negative because all three of them are in the direction against the direction of light, correct? Because see, this is U and the light ray is coming from A to E, correct? So U is negative. Similar way, V is also negative and F is also negative. So what you have is, so in place of BC, you write minus U divided by B dash C, which is minus V, is equal to minus F divided by minus F minus of minus V. Right, so this is what you get. So now once you have this, minus minus cancels, so you have U by V is equal to minus F divided by minus F plus V. Again you cross multiply, you have minus UF plus UV is equal to minus VF. Now you divide the whole equation by UVF. So if you divide, then you will have minus 1 by V plus 1 by F is equal to minus 1 by U. Right. So if you take the minus 1 by U that side, you have minus 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. Now this is the same equation what you got for a convex lens also. So irrespective of whether it's a concave or a convex lens, the length equation is always the same. This is minus 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F.